Are you waking up feeling very tired every day or feeling lethargic throughout the day? Or your child has not been able to concentrate fully on studies, or your parents have not been feeling well, or health has been an issue since you have moved to this place? These could be some of the issues which you are facing, and many a times we look for external reason for these problems. But the reason could be the energies and radiations in your house, which could be causing sleep issues, which could be causing concentration issue, or for you feeling lethargic throughout the day, or sometimes internal harmony. So what are these radiations? This is what Environics looks at. We look at environmental radiations and energies and its impact on our health and well-being. Not just our health and well-being, but the well-being of our loved ones. So what are these energies? These are basically 3 types of radiations and energies which are surrounding us. The moment you create 4 walls, you capture the earth and energy flow in some manner. Like the water flowing, there is a flowing water, and the moment you take it in a mug, it takes the shape of the mug. Similarly, when there is a surrounding energy or the natural earth energy, the moment you create 4 walls, you capture that natural earth energy in some manner. And what most of the architects try and do is that this energy, it should be in consonance with the external energy flow, because our body works best. We all have experience when we go to a green area or go to a beach or something, we just feel very good, very relaxed. Why can't we have the similar kind of feeling in our homes? Geostress is a phenomena coming out, the radiation is coming out from the earth. So if your bed is cut by these geostress, you are more likely to wake up not feeling refreshed. Or if your stomach is cut by the geostress while you are sleeping, then you may likely to have more of a stomach issue than anything else. You may have noticed that sometimes you move your bed and you get backaches or you are not able to sleep. Reason could be geostress. We all know we are surrounding ourselves with all kinds of wireless technology, starting from your Wi-Fi. Everything is Wi-Fi. Even Alexa, your light switches are Wi-Fi nowadays. Your homes are smarter, what we call smart homes. But what it is doing to our health, that we need to look at it. Because electrosmog is the kind of smog which is actually created by all these wireless gadgets. Like we are worried about air smog, we should be worried about electrosmog. We look at all kinds of environmental radiations and energy flow which is present in our homes, and we ensure that these all can be corrected. And they can be easily corrected. First is to measure them. So there are now scientific instruments available to measure where all what kinds of radiations are. So first we do the survey. We find which are the zones which are negative, which are the beds which are affected, where all electrosmog is there, and we come with our survey to you. Many a times you will find a correlation, and whatever you have been experiencing, now you will know the reason for that. Once the correlation is found, then our expert team does the correction. Like air, most of us are now purifying air. We don't say we won't use air. If the air is dirty, then we purify it. Similarly, if you have these radiations or energy flows which are negative or harmful, we need to correct it. We need to neutralize them. And now that is possible without making any kind of structural changes or layout changes. You do so much to create such a beautiful home. We ensure that the interiors are perfect. We ensure that the lighting condition is good. We do so much for our loved ones. Why not create a more energetic and a more radiation protected environment so that they are healthier, they are protected, they are safe, and they are happier? Because at the end, if you are healthy, it affects all parts of your life, including interpersonal relationship, which is so very critical in our homes. So let's look at your home and ensure that it becomes more healthier, happier, and safer for your loved ones.